Good morning, students. Now we will start the first unit of maths named rational number. Now, before discussing that what is a rational number, we are discussing some different categories of other number system that you learned in the lower standard. So, first category of the number system is a set of natural numbers. Set of natural number is represented by capital N, and it consists of number starts from 1 to infinite. Then second set of number system that is a set of whole numbers that is represented by W, and that includes 0. So it starts from 0 up to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Next, third class of number system is integers, and that is represented by Z. It includes positive and negative numbers. Okay, positive and negative numbers. So it includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to minus 8. So these are the three popular number system before the rational. Now we discuss fourth category of the number system, that is a rational number. So what is a rational number? How can we define a rational number? A number x such that x is equals to p by q, where p and q belongs to integer and q never equals to 0. Means any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where both p and q are integer and q never equals to 0. So that collection of number is known as rational number, and the rational set of rational number is represented by x expressed by q. For example, 3 by 4, minus 4 by 5, minus 7 by 8, minus 9 by minus 7, 8 by minus 5. These are the examples of rational numbers. देखिए इन नंबर्स में आप देखिए जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर है दोनों क्या होने चाहिए, इंटीजर होने चाहिए, और q जो है जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो कभी भी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इन सारे एग्जांपल्स में आप देखिए p और q जो है वो क्या है, इंटीजर्स हैं. q की वैल्यू नॉन जीरो है. ठीक है, 0 इज ऑल्सो अ रैशनल नंबर. 0 को आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 0 by 1. Now this p, this is q, q is not equals to 0, p is also integer, 0 is an integer. So 0 can also express in the form of p by q. So 0 is also a rational number. So any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where both p and q are integers, are called, and q is not equals to 0 is called a rational number. Now rational numbers are classified into two categories: positive rational number and negative rational number. positive rational number and negative rational number. अब पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर्स में क्या होगा, आपका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर या तो जो है पी और क्यू दोनों पॉजिटिव होंगे या दोनों नेगेटिव रहेंगे। जैसे 3/4 -9/-7 4/7। नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स क्या होंगे, जिनमें न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर उससे कोई भी एक क्या है नेगेटिव है, जैसे -4/5 8/-5। सो दीज आर कॉल्ड negative rational. Now next is lowest form of rational. Now what is lowest form of rational number? As we discussed that any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q both belongs to integer and q never equals to 0, that collection of number is called rational number. But one more condition, that a number or a rational number present in the form of its lowest form if both p and q have no other common factor than 1. They have only one common factor, and that common factor is only 1. Then the rational number is said to be in a lowest form. Means now the rational number is said to be in lowest form if it is satisfied three conditions. First, it expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integer. Second, q is never equals to 0, and third, both p and q have no other common factor than 1. 1 के अलावा उनका कोई भी दूसरा कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए। यदि they have a common factor other than 1, then they are not said to be in a lowest form. जैसे for example, जैसे 3/4, so that is the lowest form of rational number, क्योंकि देखिए ये p और q दोनों इंटीजर हैं, q की वैल्यू नॉन जीरो है, और ये जो p और q है, p है 3 और q है 4, तो इसमें क्या आ रहा है, p और q दोनों का एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर है, और वो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है 3. So this is the lowest form of rational number. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल -7/5. Now in this rational number, p is equals to -7, q is equals to 5. So both p and q are integer, q never equals to 0, and both p and q have only one common factor, and that is 1 only. No other common factor other than the 1. एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर है इनका और वो है 1. So that is the essential condition to be a rational number is in the lowest form. That rational number present in its lowest form if both p and q have no common factor other than 1. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक की लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कैसे नहीं है, जैसे एक नंबर हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया x इज इक्वल्स टू फॉर एग्जाम्पल 75/100. नाउ हियर p इज 75, q is 100. नाउ p is integer, q is integer, q is not never equals to 0, तो रैशनल नंबर की कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, लेकिन लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं है, बिकॉज बोथ 75 and 100 have a common factor 25. ठीक है, how can we डिटरमाइन की 25 कॉमन फैक्टर है तो 75 का फैक्टराइजेशन किया, so 75 is 25 into 3 and 100 is equals to 25 into 4, so both have a common factor 20. So it is not in the lowest form of rational number. Now how to convert a rational number into its lowest form? So to convert the rational number into its lowest form, first you identify the HCF of P and Q. First you identify HCF of P and Q and divide P and Q by the HCF of P and Q. क्या करना है आपको? पहले P और Q का HCF कैलकुलेट करना है, एस कॉमन फैक्टर आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, फिर इंडिविजुअली P को और Q को उस HCF से क्या कर लेना है? डिवाइड कर लेना है। जैसे ये एग्जांपल कि इसको मुझे लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है 75 by 100, तो फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द HCF ऑफ 75 and 100. तो HCF कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 75 and 100 5 से कैंसिल किया, दैट इज 5 3 4 3 1 4 2 ठीक है, ये आपने फैक्टराइजेशन कर दिया। HCF कैलकुलेट करने के लिए HCF क्या हो जाएगा? इसकी फैक्टराइजेशन करना है 5 into 5 into 3, 100 का क्या हो जाएगा? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. So we are taking common factors which present in the both the numbers. ठीक है, तो ये आपका 5 into 5 ये क्या हो गया? 25 आपका क्या हो गया? HCF हो गया। X can be represent या P is divided by HCF of P and Q. So HCF of 75 and 100 is basically 25. So 75 by 25, 100 by 20. So that is 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 is in the lowest form. One more example, how to convert a rational number into its lowest form. So for example, x is equals to minus 81 by 27. Now first we determine the HCF of 81 and 27. So 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 these are 9, 9 these are 27 and 27 का हो गया 3 into 3 into 3. So we are taking common factors. ये कॉमन फैक्टर हो गए जो लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में है, तो आपका HCF क्या हो गया? 27. So x is minus 81 by 27 divided by 27 by 27. So that is minus 3 by. So that is a way to convert a rational number into the lowest form. Now next is standard rational number. Now what is standard rational number? A number is set, the rational number is said to be a standard rational number, or it is in the standard form if it is present in its lowest form, if it is present in its lowest form and its denominator is positive. What is a standard rational number? If the rational number is present in its lowest form and its denominator, which is a cube, is positive. So that is called its standard rational number. And a rational number, when will the rational number is present in its lowest form? When both P and Q have no other common factor other than 1. They have only one common factor and that common factor is 1. तो पहला स्टैंडर्ड रैशनल नंबर होने के लिए नंबर आपका कैसा होना चाहिए, लोवेस्ट रैशनल नंबर आपका लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में होना चाहिए और डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. जैसे x इज इक्वल्स टू 3/4, ये स्टैंडर्ड रैशनल नंबर, बट x इज इक्वल्स टू जैसे -5/7 स्टैंडर्ड रैशनल नंबर. ठीक है, क्योंकि p और q इंटीजर है, q 0 नहीं है, q पॉजिटिव है और दोनों p और q का एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर है, वो है 1. ठीक है, p और q इंटीजर है, q 0 नहीं है, दोनों p और q का कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है, 1 और डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो पॉजिटिव है. लेकिन सपोज इफ आई एक्सप्रेस द नंबर इज -6/-7, so it is not a standard rational. क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि p और q इंटीजर हो गए, q जो है वो नेगेटिव है. q उसमें क्या बोल कंडीशन में क्या बोल रहा है कि q क्या होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. q पॉजिटिव नहीं है तो it is not in the standard form of rational. If you express this -6/7 then it is a standard rational. q हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. So that is called standard rational number. ठीक है. So what we have discussed in what is rational number, what is the lowest form of rational number, and what is standard rational number. Now we discuss equivalence of rational number. Now two rational number, suppose if I am considering one rational number is p by q and second one is r by s. These are the two rational number and these two rational number are said to be equal or they are equivalent if p by q is equals to r by s, means p into s is equals to r into q. If both are equivalent, then p into s is equals to r into q. This is for example. Now question is what? Express 3/4 as another rational number whose numerator is -81. ठीक है, आपको 3/4 को इस तरीके से एक्सप्रेस करना है कि उसका न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाए, -81. सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स सपोज दैट रैशनल नंबर इज -81/a, क्योंकि आपको क्या दे रखा है, न्यूमरेटर तो दे रखा है, आपको उसका डिनोमिनेटर कैलकुलेट करना है. नाउ आपको क्या बोला है कि इसको इस फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, दूसरे रैशनल नंबर में रिप्रेजेंट करना है जिसका न्यूमरेटर है, तो दोनों इक्विवेलेंट होंगे. तो 3/4 is equals to -81/a. So 3a is equals to -81 into 4. So a is equals to -81 into 4/3. So a is -27 into 4. So it is 8. Now a is equals to -81 into 4/3. So it is -27 into 4. 7 4s are 28. That is -108. So the rational number is minus 81 by minus 100. Minus 81 by minus 100. So that is equivalence of rational. क्या है? That is equivalence of rational number. Now I am taking one more example. Just express 11 by 7 as another rational number whose denominator is 49. So let's suppose rational number is x by 49. न्यूमरेटर हमने क्या कंसीडर कर लिया? x by 49. न्यूमरेटर कंसीडर कर लिया x, तो रैशनल नंबर इज x by 49 क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर दे रखा है. So 11 by 7 is equals to x by 49. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, 7x is equals to 11 into 49. So x is equals to 11 into 49 by 7. 7 and 49 cancel out. So x is 77. So the rational number is 77 by 49. So that is called equivalence of rational number. Next, next topic of this unit is compare the rational number. How to compare the rational number, how to identify that which rational number is bigger. Suppose आपके पास दो या दो से ज्यादा रैशनल नंबर है और आपको पता करना है कि कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है. So how to compare the rational number? Now two variety of questions are asking in this section. First variety क्या है कि suppose आपका जो रैशनल नंबर है उसमें जैसे सपोज दो रैशनल नंबर हैं और दोनों रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम. When the denominators are same, you just compare their numerical value of their numerators. The number whose numerator is bigger is larger, and the number whose numerator is smaller in magnitude. Just for example, compare 7 by 13 and minus 9 by 13. Now, in these two rational numbers, denominators are same. Denominator क्या है? Same है. तो we just compare their numerators. तो numerator क्या है? 7 and minus 9. So 7 is bigger than minus 9. So 7 by 13 is bigger than minus 9 by 13. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो यू जस्ट कंपेयर देयर न्यूमरेटर वैल्यूज. जो न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा वो नंबर बड़ा होगा, जो न्यूमरेटर छोटा है वो नंबर छोटा होगा. बट सपोज सेकंड वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपके गिवन रैशनल नंबर्स के डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट यू मेक देयर डिनोमिनेटर सेम. आफ्टर मेकिंग देयर डिनोमिनेटर सेम, अगेन यू कंपेयर देयर न्यूमरेटर्स. ठीक है, जो न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा मैग्नीट्यूड वाइज वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर बड़ा. जो छोटा होगा वो छोटा हो जाएगा. जैसे आपको क्वेश्चन आया कंपेयर 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Now both 4 and 7 are different, denominator different है. So make their denominator same. तो आप क्या करेंगे? 7 और 4 का एलसीएम ले लेंगे. So LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. Now 3 by 4 can be expressed as 3 by 4 into 7 by 7, that is 21 by 28, and 5 by 7 can be expressed as 5 by 7 into 4 into 4. आपको दोनों नंबर्स का डिनोमिनेटर क्या बनाना है, 28 बनाना है। तो इसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को आपने 7 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इसके न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को आप 4 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, दैट इज 20 by 20. So now 3 by 4 is 21 by 28 and 5 by 7 is 20 by 28. So now denominators are same. Now we compare their numerators. So what we observe that 21 is more than 20. So 21 by 28 is bigger than 20 by 28. So 3 by 4 is bigger than 5 by 7. So that is a way to compare the two rational numbers whose denominators are different. I am taking one more example. For example, compare minus 1 by 2 and minus 7 by 8. Now denominator different है, so make their denominator same. So denominator same बनाने के लिए LCM of 2 and 8 ले लेंगे. So minus 1 by 2 can be expressed as minus 1 by 2 into 4 into 4, that is minus 4 by 8, and minus 7 by 8 can be expressed as minus 7 by 8 into 1 into 1. ठीक है, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर इसका 8 है तो minus 7 by 8. ठीक है, अब डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गए. नाउ कंपेयर देयर न्यूमरेटर्स. सो एज वी नो दैट minus 4 is bigger than minus 7, क्योंकि नेगेटिव वैल्यूज में उल्टा होता है. पॉजिटिव क्या होता है, 4 is smaller than 7, but minus 4 is bigger than minus 7. So minus 4 by 8 is bigger than minus 7 by 8. ठीक है, so that is a way to compare the rational number. Is that clear? So what we have discussed in the today's lecture: what is rational number, what is the lowest form of rational number, what is standard form of rational number, equivalence of rational number, and comparison of rational number. So that is all about the today's lecture.